equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These will help you safely open your Lenovo Yoga and access the internal components. First, power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the installation process. Next, place your laptop on a flat, clean surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, you may notice some dust accumulation inside. It's a good idea to clean this out with the microfiber cloth to ensure optimal performance. Now, locate the speaker connectors on the motherboard. These are typically situated near the bottom corners of the device. If you're unsure, refer to the Lenovo Yoga Service Manual for specific diagrams. Disconnect the old speakers by gently pulling the connectors away from the motherboard. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify any issues before proceeding. Next, take your new speakers and align them with the connectors. Ensure they are securely attached by pushing the connectors firmly into place. It's important to double-check that they are connected properly to avoid any sound issues later on. After connecting the new speakers, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Before powering on your laptop, take a moment to ensure everything is in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, power on your Lenovo Yoga and test the new speakers. Play some audio to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, installing speakers on your Lenovo Yoga is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can enhance your device's audio experience significantly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.